In activity 3.19, I'll demonstrate how to print a report and keep data together. So again, using our job openings database and double clicking on booth fees by industry report, what do I mean by keeping data together? Well, you notice that under our industry heading, we have grouped the information on the employers by the industry. So for instance, we have banking and finance with 4 participants, and we have computer hardware with 3 participants. If we print a multi-page report and the report needs to create a new page, if you leave some of the healthcare on one page and the rest of the healthcare on the other page, that is not keeping a group together. And there's nothing necessarily wrong with that, but we can control keeping those groups together to a degree using Access. So here we are in report view. If I go to print preview and click on 2 pages, we have just such a situation where hotel and food service shows a couple of their records on page 1 and a couple or one more record on page 2. So we can control whether that happens or not, and I'll demonstrate how to do that now. So going to layout view, clicking on the design tab, we go to grouping and totals to the group and sort, and that opens up a group sort and total window down here at the bottom of the report. Right now it says group on industry with A on top. I'm going to click more, and notice now we get a few selections. But the one we want to look at right now is do not keep grouped together on one page. And we're going to click the down arrow and notice do not keep grouped together on one page, keep whole group together on one page, keep header and first record together on one page. So I'm going to select the middle one, keep whole group together, and then I'm going to go back to the preview and notice now that Access figured out that it was going to have to split the hotel and food service, and so it just printed some white space to move the hotel and food service over to the next page. And that's an example of how to keep a group of information together in a report. Okay, I'll go ahead and save this off, and that'll be the end of this activity and of this objective.